Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how you can create a new contact on OnePlus 13R. So firstly, open the phone's app. Now go into contacts and tap on create new contact here at the top. Then you can choose where you would like to store your contacts to. It can be either your Google account, your SIM card or device. So I advise you to choose a Google account because if you change your phone, if you log into your Google account, all of the contacts will be moved automatically. But I will just choose device because I will delete this contact later. Now tap here to select a profile picture for your contact. I will choose from gallery. So let's say this one. You can align it, crop it, and stuff like this. After you've done everything, just tap on choose. Now here we can select the first name and the middle name, which like all of these four stuff, four areas or inputs are the most like crucial to having a phone number, a contact I mean. So first name, last name, you don't even have to fill the last name and the company. If you catch up with everything that goes, you can just type in the first name, and the most important is obviously the phone number. And you can label all these four numbers or something, let's say work, and you can add few of these phone numbers. So as you can see, I have a second one, and the second one will be labeled as mobile, as pager. Okay, you can also add emails, it works the same. You can add few of these and label each one of them as something different. Also a birthday, an address, and add to label are just groups, so you can create groups like family, friends. It doesn't work on some of the devices, so I won't show you, but that's how it is. You can also write notes about this contact, and then you can also tap on add fields, and you'll be able to add some like very additional fields, like you can just see them right here. And then after you've done everything, you can just go ahead and tap on save in the top right corner, and here is our contact. Now if you would like to share some info about this contact, all you have to do is just share press and hold the info that you would like to share, and then tap on copy to clipboard, and later you can just paste it somewhere. Or if you tap on the gear icon top right corner, tap on share contact, select the info that you would like to share, then tap on continue. It's going to create a small file that you will be able to share with someone. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have no questions, let us know in the comments.